takeoff.
I gotta be careful. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. I think we can go up a little bit higher. Don't crash. Okay. We'll get to normal mode actually for now. Okay, we can see a lot of white buildings. Can you see me? I'm like literally there. Do you see the dot? Black dot? That's me. Okay. And then if you look this way, we see town. And what's that thing? That's where we were. We were dropped off. And then that's the castle over there. See the castle? Well, apparently since no one is up there, probably no one can actually go up to the place, I'm guessing. Yeah. I think that's a cathedral. It looks like... We don't want to go down that far. Because there might be some like lines, electricity lines and shit, you know? So... I think that's a cathedral. Whoa, look at that! No way! Wait, how tall is that? It feels like we were like neck to neck, right next to each other, you know? %. I'm right there. Do you see that?
Landing.
That's me. Over here. Land safely. Don't land on my head. How come we don't see any wildlife here? There's this dog that is just looking at me and barking, by the way. Do you see that white line? Yeah, you gotta steer clear out of that. You gotta be very careful. The world is so wide. I know, right? Is this 4K version? Yeah, I think so. The cam itself is 4K. Fly the valley? You mean like this? This valley? Yeah, it definitely needs a full charge though. Okay, let's land. Where am I? Come to me. Okay. Do you see me? Okay, come this way.